Sound notifications enables to set sound notifications regarding all stages of order delivery. In order to add sounds to the database for their further use, for sounds notifications, click the Upload Voice button and press plus button to upload sounds. Give it a title and upload the file. Click Save once the upload has been completed. To set sound notifications for a certain stage of order delivery, press Map the Voice button and choose stages which need to be enhanced with sound notifications. For example, order creation, failed scan, successful scan, sorted, unsorted, multi-box, etc. Then choose the voice by clicking Choose Voice field and selecting one from the drop-down menu. Keep in mind that the options in the drop-down menu will be only available if they have been previously uploaded to the database. And press Apply for all users to save and lock in the changes.